Hello Altman plants. Today we're going to be talking about our poinsettia displays along the fence line. As you can see on the right with our metal racks, you're going to have 3 shelves on each rack, and you should have 4 racks altogether, making that 16-foot display. On the left is our board and block display, which will still have 3 levels, and will go into the construction process. Here you can see we're 3 bricks high, as well as 3 bricks high on the second shelf. And we have a little bit of an offset in the width of the 2 shelves as well. This is the example of our 8-foot build. Each board is a 12-inch, so it's a 12 by 8 by 8. And on the cinder blocks, it's a full cinder block and a half cinder block. Here we alternated the stack so that the short cinder block is on one side than the other for more stability. On this other side, you can see where we just had them stacked straight up. And the only thing I worry about with that is if somebody might bump it, then that whole stack is going to shift. Whereas with the other alternating build, it's just a little more stable of a foundation. Alright, so what do we need to build this display? So the bottom shelf are 2 12 by 8 by 8, so they're 12-inch wide boards. The top is an 8-inch wide and a 10-inch wide board, so a 10 by 8 by 8, and then an 8 by 8 by 8, which I'll have a list here in a second. And then it's just 3, 6, 9, 12 regular cinder blocks, and then 6 of the half cinder blocks. So this is the list of what you'll need for an 8-foot section. Remember, we're doing 16 feet, so you're going to need to double this amount. We'll have this list go out. I also wanted to show you what a half cinder block looks like. They should be right next to the full-size ones, but this is what you'll need for that bottom level of the build. As soon as we get our poinsettias in, we'll be going over exactly how we want to merchandise the displays, but the first thing we want to do is make sure that we know how to build them. So hopefully this will help you gathering what you need and finding the location and getting everything set up in preparation.